All right, guys, here we go. iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing. I know I'm late to the party, but I'm not absent. I was trying to get the Pro Max on launch day, and oh my God, that was a nightmare. The the website kept on freezing on me, and make story short, I was just like, I'll get it tomorrow. The next day, all the Pro Maxes were absolutely gone. And so basically, even this little guy was gone. This is the smaller version of the Pro models. Um, I mean, it took me 11 days, basically. I checked pretty much every day up until finally they had it available for pickup. And so I went ahead and placed the order and picked it up at the store. But yeah, I mean, you guys have seen a whole bunch of videos at this point. But yeah, you know, it goes without saying that this phone feels absolutely smaller. It's not incredibly different from the 13, the 14, the 12. The 11 did look a little smaller cameras and whatnot. But yeah, this is the same form. Apple just keeps on, you know, improvement, small improvements every year, basically. But let's go ahead and boot it up. And yeah, there you go. And this is your up and down and your action button into whatever you want to make it into. Um, that's interesting. Okay. And yeah, I mean, I can't really get over how light it feels, honestly. But anyways, let me give you guys a quick look into the actual color of the phone. This is the blue titanium, which looks a lot different in different angles. It looks almost like a light black, light gray, and blue. Or sometimes it looks like really blue, like right there. It has a little bit of a hint of purple sometimes too. It's a lot of colors, I know. And then the side of the phone, it's it's just a very navy blue, light navy bluish color to it. And this is why we're here today, guys. Type C. If I'm being honest, this is the biggest upgrade into the iPhone, in my opinion. Obviously, with the Pro Max, you have the 5x camera, which you don't have that here in the regular size Pro model. But yes, all models of the iPhone, the regular 15s, and the Pros, they all have Type C. I believe this is capable of charging up to 30 watts, although Apple recommends that you use a 20 watt. Now, there have been some rumors of this phone getting um, overheating, if you will, or just getting warm. Apple did say that they're going to push a basically an update that will fix that issue. We'll see about that. I will keep you guys updated. And bringing the box back in the view, this is all you're gonna get. Your braided cable, which is nice. Type C, again, first time ever in an iPhone. Thanks to the EU. Shout out to the EU for that. And then you get your little Apple stickers and whatever. So yeah, luckily, I don't need to get me a block to charge this because I have a Samsung S21 Ultra, which I had years ago, which had a 25 watt. I will continue to use that with this cable, and it should be fine. Apple did not restrict the Type C port. Pretty much, it's pretty open to any other Type C cable. You can pair with a lot of different other Type C equipment. So props to Apple for allowing that to happen, because honestly, Lightning Port was a joke in 2023. That needed to be upgraded, and they did it. So you got to give them props for that. Nonetheless, this is a beautiful color. I am going to activate it. This is obviously eSIM is eSIM in the US, and so I gotta call it in because I'm using the S23 Ultra at the moment. So that has a physical SIM card. So I gotta find out exactly how that will work. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated when it gets warm, with the battery life. This is not a big phone. It's a 6.1. Um, Good size in the hand. You know, it's it's definitely something that Apple should have done a while ago with the Type C specifically. But moving forward, this was one of the things that I was waiting for the iPhone to do, and I thought it would never happen, honestly. And again, if it wasn't for the EU, it probably would have never happened. But moving forward, I am gonna use this phone as my main phone. So I will keep you guys updates on battery life, whether it overheats, the durability issues. Supposedly, they're saying that this phone shorter chips, easier than the stainless steel versions from the 14, the 13, the 12. Uh, so we'll see. We'll see. I did get a case for this phone. It's actually a clear case. I wanted to show off the color. As a matter of fact, let me go get that case. Yeah, guys, I am pausing the video. But yeah, here's the case. It's just a regular case, nothing special. It's just a clear case. Free publicity. I don't know. It's made by this company. You can find it on Amazon. It was like $10. Anyways, so let's go ahead and slap that in there. See what it looks like. Yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, guys, and for those of you that, sorry about that, completely forgot. For those of you that wanted to see what the action button, or whatever they call it these days, what it actually does, it's I believe it's set to silent. So you press and hold, and yeah, it goes to silent. If you press it, nothing happens. You have to press and hold, which is good because you don't want that to, you want to put your finger in it in your pocket and mute your phone by mistake. So I don't think that's going to be happening. I know you can remap it to your camera and a couple of other stuff. You could also do widgets with it, which I'll get into that as I continue using this cell phone. But yeah, as of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and activate this phone with my carrier, and I use it as my daily, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right, thank you for watching, and I will be posting very soon. Catch you in the next one.